thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is a synthetic wig review, and it is a wig that I have been wanting to try, and I'm so excited that I got my hands on it. This one is complimentary from Sam's Beauty. So thank you so much, Sam's, for sponsoring this video and keeping this channel going, growing, and stronger every day. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed, then make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And make sure you turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload. I'm letting you know all the hair, the popping wigs that you need to get for the low. And so make sure you keep on watching.
See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wander. She be money on my place. She looking at my eye order. She wants to wander. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She had me here,
yeah.
That's what they say.
She wants to wonder, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti.
See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself.
She wants to wander.
She be money on my place. She looking at my eye order.
She wants to wander.
She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She had me here, that's what they say.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover. Hot and cold, you be begging her please.
So this wig is called Krystal, and I really feel like this wig is literally identical to Maya. The only difference is that it's longer. So this is like the big sister to the Maya wig. It is a lace frontal wig, just like Maya. I do believe it's a 360. Yes, so you can pull it up in the back and create a full-blown ponytail with this unit. You can do different styles with the top, with the frontal. You can flip it to the left or the right or the middle, and you can wear it in a top knot bun or in a completely high ponytail. I think this wig is super cute. The only thing I don't care for is these piano stripes, because when you try to part them, I just don't like how it looks right there. When you try to part it with that big piano stripe on either side, that is not the business. I don't like that. Now let me see if I try to part it in the middle. So if you part it in the middle, that stripe is not there, which is fine. Me, I personally don't like to part my wigs. I literally just wear my wigs, you know, just flipped over and keep it pushing. I don't do a whole bunch of parts or super defined parts, so it doesn't matter to me. But I don't care for that piano stripe looking thing. That's not really my thing. Now, when the color is just like down here and distributed down, I really like how it looks, but I don't like that stripy look. That's not for me. But overall, I think this wig is really pretty. The texture on it is weird. I think it's a little bit crunchy. It's not super duper soft like I like my Outre wigs to be. I did run into that same problem with another Outre wig. I can't remember what it was called right now. Maybe Hallie. I can't remember what the name of the wig was, but it did have a crunchy texture, and that's kind of the texture of this one. I wouldn't say it's super duper soft, but it is lightweight. I will say that much. As far as maintenance on this wig, like, I probably wouldn't brush this wig too much or, you know, do too much to it, because I feel like it probably would tangle. But it's synthetic. All synthetic wigs tangle after a while. But overall, I do think this wig is very pretty. I think this wig would look nice in like a stronger color. This color is pretty muted, but I do like it. So let me know what you guys think about Krystal. Do you have Krystal? Were you eyeballing her like I was? I know I was looking at her for a while. So I'm definitely glad that I have her. Make sure you guys are checking me out on Instagram at JessTheDragoness, on Facebook at JessTheDragoness, and of course on my blog where I do sell my merchandise, t-shirts, cups, and I do blog about hair and other related things. So make sure you're checking out www.JessTheDragoness.com. If you like this unit, it is available on Sam's Beauty. I'll leave a link in the information bar down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up.